Fact: artificial intelligence is not neutral. Studies show that AI systems can reflect and even amplify the biases found in the data they're trained on. We often imagine AI as purely logical, a machine that calculates without judgment. But AI only learns from the data it's given, and that data is created by humans living in societies with inequalities. When biases exist in hiring practices, healthcare records, or even everyday language, they seep into the algorithms built on top of them. For neurodivergent communities, that means systems designed to help may unintentionally reinforce barriers. Take hiring algorithms as an example. If the training data favors candidates who follow linear career paths or who fit neurotypical communication styles, the system may screen out equally capable applicants with non-traditional trajectories. In education, AI that grades essays or flags off-task behavior might misinterpret autistic communication or ADHD attention patterns as failure. These aren't intentional acts of discrimination. They're reflections of patterns the AI was taught to copy. The challenge is that once embedded, these biases scale quickly. Instead of one bias decision, you get thousands, multiplied at machine speed. That can magnify exclusion rather than reduce it. But bias in AI doesn't have to be the final word. Recognizing it is the first step toward designing systems that serve everyone. Researchers and advocates are already pushing for inclusive datasets that better represent different ways of speaking, learning, and moving through the world. There's also a movement toward explainable AI, tools that let us see why a decision was made rather than hiding it behind a black box. For neurodivergent people, this matters deeply. Imagine AI that recognizes direct, precise communication as valid, instead of penalizing it. Or tools that adjust pacing and sensory load in learning environments, rather than forcing one rigid path. When inclusivity is built in, AI can expand access instead of shrinking it. Here's the turning point. AI doesn't create bias, it mirrors us. That means the responsibility and the power is ours. When developers, educators, and leaders invite neurodivergent voices into the design process, the technology shifts. Suddenly, AI isn't just a filter that measures difference against a norm. It becomes a bridge that adapts systems to human diversity. That's the difference between an algorithm that shuts people out and one that opens doors. The hidden biases in AI are real, but they're not unchangeable. They remind us that technology is only as fair as the humans guiding it. For neurodivergent communities, the path forward isn't to reject AI, but to shape it. By demanding transparency, pushing for diverse representation in datasets, and designing with accessibility in mind, we can make AI a tool for equity rather than exclusion. If this resonates, hit like and subscribe to support Coffee 5. Share this with someone curious about AI and fairness. Together, we can build systems that truly see us, all of us.